Collaboration is a recursive process where two or more people work together in an intersection of common goals. For example, scientists often work together by sharing their data and expertise to accomplish their research goals. As you conduct your own research, you'll collaborate with your classmates to accomplish your own research goals. Throughout this project, you'll be using a tool called GoogleWave to collaborate with your fellow researchers. GoogleWave is a live, shared workspace on the web where people can discuss and work together using richly formatted text, photos, videos, maps, and more. Please join me in the next few sections as we go over the basic features of GoogleWave. The URL for the GoogleWave website is wave.google.com. And once we get here, you can see that you're required to log in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one in order to use GoogleWave. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my account credentials. Once you get logged in, it takes a few seconds for the page to load completely. But as you can see, overall, the GoogleWave layout is very similar to an email client. You have a navigation pane with an inbox. You have a contact list of all your GoogleWave contacts. You have your actual inbox where all of your Google Waves are listed. And then you have the GoogleWave pane where you can see an existing Google Wave. In the next sections, I'm going to go over these sections in more detail. Let's start a new wave. As you can see here, Google provides us with different templates for different types of waves. We can create a blank wave, which is the most flexible. We can create a discussion wave, a task tracking wave, a meeting wave, a document wave, and a brainstorming wave. Let's go ahead and create a blank wave. Once you create a blank wave, you're presented with the actual wave interface. From here we can type text. We can then manipulate the text. I'm going to make this text bold. Let me type in some more text. This text, I can highlight it with any color I want. As you can see here, it's highlighted in yellow. We can also create structured lists. So here's a bulleted list. And generally we can do just about anything in a Google Wave that we could do with the basics of a word processor. One of the nicer features of Google Waves is that you can add gadgets. In the next section, we're going to look at adding different gadgets to our wave. Now that we've created our wave, we can start adding gadgets to it. Gadgets are small utilities that you can plug into your wave to add extra functionality. Let's take a look at what's available. As you can see here, there's quite a bit that you can do. You can create a grocery list, you can add diagrams, you can add a mind map gadget, there are several task gadgets, you can add weather gadgets, there's a poll gadget, and various other things that help you make your wave more useful. Let's go ahead and add a map gadget to our wave. I'm going to go ahead and install it. And as you can see, a Google map has been embedded in our wave. Now all the participants of this particular wave can see this map, and then we can do searches. So let's search for Texas Tech. Google Maps has found Texas Tech University, and we can select it and save that as a point on the map. And now you can see our map has been marked with a pin showing where Texas Tech is located. Some of the other features that we can do with the maps is we can actually draw lines around certain areas of the map. So I'm going to mark off the entire Texas Tech campus. And so now the other participants can see where the Texas Tech campus is located. For our last bit of this Google Wave presentation, I'm going to show you how you can interact with other people in real time. So in my next part, I'm going to have a partner helping me out with this.